In front of me is POCO M3, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll down and open developer options. If you cannot find developer mode right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer options, smoothly perform the operation, and then you will be able to locate it under additional settings list. Then, once you open developer options, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice system demo mode. Smoothly mark it, click on turn on to activate this feature, and that's it. As you can see, you can notice at the status bar already, now your device is in demo mode. Once you want to switch it off, unmark the switcher, and as you can see now we are back in the normal standard mode. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.